Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
Draw a line, then make a loop, add a tail, and now whoop whoop, with DoodleDoo. We doodle bright, let's draw animals left and right. Draw a dog with floppy ears. Draw a cat that purrs and cheers. Draw a mouse so small and quick. Draw a frog, jump, jump, trick. Draw that animal, big or small. Fuzzy, scaly, short or tall. Wiggle your brush, swirl it round. Color it up without a sound.
Time for colors. Let's paint that dog. No vocals. Focus on coloring segment.
Draw a turtle, slow and green. Draw a fishy, in between. Draw a monkey, swinging high. Draw a peacock, what a guy. Draw with me.
Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.